Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung MultiXpress SL-K2200ND printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search type Samsung MultiXpress SL-K2200ND printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. Okay, and the first link is from the HP support.hp.com. HP printer and Samsung printers are now combined now. All Samsung printer drivers are now on the HP printer. So open the HP printer first link. Whatever first link is, that open that link, and official website it's open. Here we find our printer name. Okay, after that here we find the Windows 10 64-bit. If it's not select your operating system right, or the OS is not right, or the bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows 10 32-bit or Windows 10 64-bit. Select your Windows and the bit proper and click on the update. After that, this page or this box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find driver product installation software, expand it. Here we find basic drivers, expand it. Here we find 2 or 3 options. From these 2 options, 2 drivers are IMP for us. Samsung SL-K2200 series. Its series printer and its series printer include our printer. First download this and also scanner driver. Here we find our scanner driver. First I download the scanner driver. I go to the here series scan driver and click on the download. It's redirect to another HP print page, and download is complete enough at a top. At the top, our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this set file to desktop. Close it. Next step is go to the printer web browser once again. Go to the back. Here we find back button. Go to the back for the 2 time or 1 time depending on your web browser. Okay, sometime 1 time. After that, make sure Windows 10 and your bit is right. Select. Okay, and after that, go to the driver product installation software, expand it, expand basic drivers. Here we find our printer driver. Go to this option, Samsung SL-K2200 series printer driver. It's include our printer. Go to this first driver and click on the download. It's redirect to another page. Download is started. It's completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy and simple. Go to your setup file, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds and here we find 2 options. Install, you can directly install or extract it and manually install. I go to the directly install, so I go to click on the install and click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. Here is the new options. Click on this next button. Click on the next button in a welcome screen. After that, here we find terms and conditions. Select this, check these 2 options and click on the next. Here we find 3 options for us. First is the USB connection. 99% users use USB connection, so select USB connection. And if you're using Ethernet connection, then click on the network connection. And if you want to connect your printer your printer USB cable to PC or laptop, or the power on your printer letter, then select this. Okay, select if you want to install software without connecting the printer. I go with the USB connection. I click on the USB connection, attach my printer to the USB connection and click on the next. Here we find many options. If you want to change a name, here we find Samsung K2200. It is a series printer and it's include our printer name K2200ND. Okay, so I go to the here advanced options. Go to the advanced options. Here we find our printer name. Here we find the printer name. You can give any printer name that you like. I give SL and space. I capital it. Okay, or queue like this. And if you want to set this printer as default, then select this printer as default. If you want to share this printer, then select this printer. If you want to share it, then click on the apply, then this name is changed, and click on the apply, and then click on the OK, and after that click on the next. Here we find next option, click on the next. Now it's installing our printer, and it's take 1 or 2 minutes, so be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's installed now setup is complete. Here we find option and click on the next. Click on the next. Here we find many options, don't check anything, and click on the finish. After that our printer is installed. Now go to the scanner driver, same thing, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on the yes. Okay, it's asked for the extract or install. I want to install, so I select install. If you want to extract, then extract and click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds, and in a few seconds installation process started. Select this option, terms and condition or agreement, check this, select this, click on the next. 3 options: USB connection, network connection, or connect your printer later. Okay, I go with the USB connection and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds, it's checking for the update. If you want to go to the next, then go to the next. If you want to check for the update, then go with the updates. Okay, after that here we find default settings, and if you want to change that default setting, then go to the advanced option. I don't, so I select the next. Now it is installing our scanner driver, printer scanner drivers on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to properly install these scanner drivers on our PC or laptop. It's take less than 1 minute, so be patient and wait for less than 1 minute to install these scanner drivers on our PC. Setup is completed message, then click on the next, click on the finish. Now check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, scroll down, and in a printer list if you find your printer name Samsung SL-K2200 series or whatever name that you give, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.